In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new module in Zoho CRM. If you've ever needed to tailor your CRM to better fit the unique processes of your business, creating a custom module is a powerful way to do so. Stick with me as we navigate through the entire process, from start to finish, making sure your Zoho CRM is perfectly customized to your needs. First off, you need to log into Zoho CRM as a super admin or as a user with module customization permissions. This is essential because these roles enable you to access the tools necessary for module creation. Once logged in, head over to the setup icon, represented by a gear symbol, and navigate to Customization, then select Modules and Fields. Within the Modules tab, you'll find the option to create a new module by clicking on either New Module or Create New Module. Now that you're ready to create, you'll need to give your module both a singular and plural name, such as Project and Projects. This naming step is fundamental. Consider the module's purpose and choose a name that's both descriptive and easily understandable. After naming, simply click Save to initiate the generation of your new module. Next, you'll be directed to the Layout Editor, which will appear automatically. This is where you'll start shaping your module with fields and sections. In the New Fields tray, you have a variety of options like text, pick list, lookup, and date fields. These can be effortlessly added to your module through drag-and-drop functionality. As you arrange these fields, you can organize them into sections that make sense for your workflow. Once you've set the fields in place, click on the gear icon of each to configure properties. Here, you can mark fields as required, set default values, or ensure their uniqueness, offering a custom fit for how data is entered into the module. After designing your module's appearance and functionality, it's crucial to address module permissions. Navigate back to the Modules tab, hover over your new module, and click the Module Settings gear icon. Here, you'll choose Module Permission. This step is about security and accessibility, allowing you to specify which users or profile groups have access and at what level, whether that be reading, creating, editing, or deleting data. Once you've set these permissions, don't forget to click Save. Finally, with all elements in place, you're ready to save and deploy your new module. Click Save Layout to ensure all changes are finalized. At this point, your newly created module should now be visible and accessible in your Zoho CRM main menu. It's ready for use, completely tailored with fields and permissions specific to your requirements. By following these steps, you not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance your team's productivity by providing a CRM setup that aligns perfectly with your business processes. Happy customizing, and see you